Any sign of the red-billed chuff, Dad?
Not yet, Jay. But keep your eyes and ears open and...
Dad, that sounds like...
Like a woodpecker using a drill.
Or a seagull riding a motorbike.
It's coming from over there. Over there. We're getting closer. Oh, this way, I think.
Here he is, Shane the chef.
I think that's the one I need.
I told you. I used to be pretty good at this. The secret is to stay nice and quiet. Oh. Hey, don't go. No. Let's get a look at you.
Hey, wow.
Oh, is that on your list?
Yes, Robin. Got it.
Well, you found your robin, but I've still not found my blackberries. Ouch!
Ooh.
Ow!
Squirrel. Got it.
Now, where are those blackberry bushes, huh? Oh, nothing.
Dad, look.
What? Oh!
Blackbird. Got it.
I just don't understand it. Still no blackberries.
Never mind, Dad. I only have to spot a hedgehog, and that's the lot.
Look! A hedgehog!
Where, Dad?
No, come back, little fella. Izzy's got to tick you off. Where do you go? He's got to be in here somewhere.
Hedgehog. Got it. All done. I got the hedgehog, Dad. Can we go home now?
Yes, but I'm, stuck.
Dad.
Oof. Told you we'd get your homework done.
Here he is, Shane the chef.
This looks like a good place.
Right, let's get this tent up.
Now, you'll find it's just your basic tent, but I'd given it a bit of a tweak. None of this messing around with tent poles. You just take it out of the bag and boing! Up it pops.
Ah!
Jane, are you okay?
I'm fine.
Oh, you've done it. What's next? The campfire?
I'll go and get some firewood. I won't be long.
Yes, take your time. Don't you worry about me. I'll be fine. What's that? Ah! Oh, silly me. Oh, you again. Go on, clear off. Go on. Shoo.
Everything all right, JG?
Of course. Why wouldn't it be?
Good. Let's get this fire started then, and we can start on dinner. What food you bring?
Here he is, Shane the chef.
Come here, you squirrel. Whoa! You! I knew this was your fault. Give me my nuts back. You just wait till I tell Shane and Izzy. Ow! Where are Shane and Izzy?
Hey, Mario. Could you put these in your backpack too? Mario? Dad, Mario's not here.
What do you mean? Oh, sizzling saucepans. We need to go find him.
Now I'm well and truly lost. And hungry. It's all your fault. For me? Thank you. Oh, not bad.
Mario!
Mario!
Dad, look. Mario's tissues. He must have gone this way.
Oh, well spotted, is he? Isn't that Mario's lip balm?
Uh-huh. And this is his water bottle.
We're definitely on the right track. Mario! Mario!
I'm here!
Mario! Thank goodness we found you.
Mario, are you okay?
I am now. My squirrel friend has been keeping me company. Look, here he is.
Squirrel friend. Right. Yeah.
He was here. He really was.
Well, I'm just glad we found you safe and sound. You mustn't wander off like that, Mario.
Sorry, Shane. All the nuts fell out of my bag, so I went to find them. Then I forgot which way I'd come.
Well, the nuts are all here. Let's put them in my backpack this time.
Here he is, Shane and Sam.
Are you sure you're okay, Sam?
Oh, there aren't enough footholds.
How about we try this ladder?
Yeah, might be a good idea.
After you, Sam.
Right. Yes. Watch and learn. Oh. Ooh. Yum. Coming up, Shane. These cherries are delicious.
Don't eat too many, Sam. They're for the crumble.
Oh, tickle my trawler. It's a long way down.
Sam, you all right?
Yes, yes. Quite all right.
Good. Right then, I'm coming up too. Ah, wow. Look at all those cherries. Oh, no. Sizzling saucepans. Oh, it's higher than it looks up here. Whoa, we need to get down.
I don't think I can.
Neither can I. Help!
That's it. Just a bit closer.
Help!
Hey, come back.
Help!
What is that noise?
Ooh. What's this? Ooh, it's all squishy. This doesn't seem at all right. Oh, Maggie, I think I've located the problem. I'll soon have it fixed.
JG, you're holding my hand.
Oops. Sorry, Maggie.
Help, Sid! Up here!
Shane? Sam? What are you doing up there? Oh, Sid, are we glad to see you? We're stuck up this tree.
Can you go and get Maggie? She's at the lighthouse.
You don't need Maggie. I've been climbing trees since I was a lad. Let me help.
It's higher than it looks up here, Sid.
Right, let's get you boys down. You weren't kidding. It is higher than it looks up here.
Here he is, Shane and Sam.
Right then, time to show Mama Polenta how good that nose of yours really is, Eddie.
Give him a sniff of the jar to get the scent of the truffle.
Right you are. That's it, Eddie. Find us a truffle.
Looks like he's got the scent already.
Oh, that was a close one. Oh, Eddie. Oh, Eddie, Eddie. Oh no.
Whoa. You really have been pulled through a hedge backwards, Sam.
Well, actually, it was forwards. Eddie, come back. Oh, what did I tell you?
I think Eddie's found something, Sam.
It's got to be a truffle.
Oi, that's our lunch. Come back.
Eh?
Hiya, Sid. Hiya, Jay. What are you doing here?
Bird watching. We're looking for a red-necked phalarope.
And Eddie's just run off with our lunch.
Eddie, stop. Drop it. I'm sorry about that. By the way, I think I saw what did you call it? A red-necked fill and rope bird thingy. Flew in that direction.
What? Come on, Jay.
All righty-o.
Beautiful plumage.
Here he is, Shane and Sam.
Yeah, I thought you were bringing the food.
No, you said you had everything we could possibly need.
Yes, but not the food.
Sorry, I need to get this. Izzy, can you hear me? Hello? Bad connection. I'll have to go off and find a signal. Won't be a tick.
Shane!
Dad says it'll be fine. The crispy bits will make it even more tasty. Dad, what was that?
It's just an owl. I better get back to JG, though. I left him on his own.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
Bye, Izzy. Now, which way did I come?
Shane, is that you?
JG!
Shane!
JG!
Shane! Ah! Oh, I wasn't scared.
No, neither was I.